Do you ever feel like your cleaners have more control over your business than you do? Like you're the one chasing them, begging them to work weekends, pick up extra jobs, or not cancel at the last minute? Yeah, I've been there. I know. When you don't have great cleaners, they hold all the leverage. But it doesn't have to be like that. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 steps I use to build a recruiting machine, one that attracts A players, filters out the flakes, and gives me the power to hire as many great cleaners as I need on demand. I'm John Margulies, founder of Happy Home Helpers, a 7-figure remote cleaning business, and Rags to Riches University, where I help people like you start a profitable cleaning business using nothing but a phone and laptop. I'm also a special consultant for Jobber, the leading software for home service businesses. I was featured several times on Jobber's podcast, and I was a keynote speaker at the 2025 Jobber Summit. And just so you're confident you're getting expert advice from someone who knows how to grow a cleaning business, here's my total revenue from last year in 2024. I'm filtering this report to show you January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. And you can see that I processed $1,330,668.45 in credit card payments alone. That doesn't include cash and check payments. And these are the same steps I used to scale my team of over 50 cleaners, and I still use them today. Let's break it down. Step number 1, build a hiring pipeline first. Don't even think about hiring anyone until this is done. You need a system to keep track of where each applicant is in the process. I use Go High Level's Pipeline Builder. It looks like this. And here you can see the stages and applicants within each stage. But you can do this in a Google Sheet. Just create these phases: applied, qualified, nurturing, interview 1, interview 2, hired, and not hired. And move people through the stages if you like them. And stay organized. You gotta know exactly who's in play and who's not. Step number 2. Create a careers page that filters applicants for you. You want to build a career page on your website, and this is what it should look like. Starting with the welcome video here at the top of the page, because it's a classy touch that goes a long way. You can explain what the job is, tell them what kind of person you're looking for, and let them know what your company stands for. Having a great video like this repels the wrong people and attracts the right ones. Then below it, add a short application, 7 to 10 questions max. And make sure your questions are qualifier questions about their experience, attention to detail, availability, and attitude. And make sure you ask this one question, because it's the most important one. Do you like to clean? And make the answers multiple choice with these 4 answers. It pays the bills, I like it, I don't like it, and I love it. If they answer anything but I love it, don't hire them, because cleaning every day is hard, and nobody will last unless they truly love it. And here's a quick heads up. If you want to skip the guesswork and just get the exact blueprint I use to build everything I'm showing you here, I put together a step-by-step training that walks you through the entire process of launching a 6 or even 7-figure remote cleaning business. It's the same system I used to build Happy Home Helpers from scratch and eventually became a millionaire. And you can grab it anytime at johnmargulies.com. All right, back to the next step. Step number 3, use Indeed, and only Indeed. You need to advertise the job opening. So like I said, use it on Indeed.com. But here's the thing. Choose the option to have your applicants apply on your website, not the Indeed platform. That way, you can link the careers page on your website and all applicants will be taken there automatically. Then, they go through your filtering process. Step number 4, write a job post that sells the job. Use the title Professional House Cleaner. And in the description, you want to be sure you do these 3 things. Number 1, speak directly to the kind of person that you want. Number 2, be clear about expectations and what success looks like. And number 3, make it sound professional but real. Remember, these are blue-collar workers, so don't try to sound like a Fortune 500 company. Know your audience. Sound like a cleaning business that takes itself seriously. Step number 5, adjust your budget and adjust as needed. Start small with just $15 a day. You can pause the ad when you've got enough applicants, and you can always turn it back on later when you need to hire more. Hiring doesn't have to be expensive. It just needs to be consistent. Step number 6, phone screen with 3 questions. Now it's time to qualify your applicants with a quick phone call. You want to ask these 3 questions. Question number 1, do you own a vehicle that you don't share with anybody? Because if they say no, immediately disqualify them. Question number 2, what experience do you have cleaning homes? Now here, you want to listen for clarity and professionalism, because if they sound like they know what they're doing, chances are they're a lot likelier to know what they're doing. And again, you want to ask question number 3, do you love to clean? And if it's not a resounding yes, move on. Be sure to keep all calls under 5 minutes, and if someone doesn't qualify, don't finish the questions. Either hang up the phone or have a 1-sentence line like, sorry, it's not a good fit, and then hang up. You don't have a lot of time to waste. If you spend more than 5 minutes with each person, or you don't hang up right away when they're not qualified, you're going to end up spending way too much time. Step number 7, in-person interviews. Here, you only have one way to really do this. Bring your qualified candidates to an actual cleaning, because it's the only way to see if they can perform and make you money. I ask them to clean for 1 or 2 hours so I can evaluate them. The time is unpaid. I do this on purpose to see if they really want the job. And I look for these 5 characteristics. The first one is punctuality. If they show up even 5 minutes late, I dismiss them. Number 2, I look for a clean appearance. They must look professional and be presentable. Number 3, if they can follow directions. I assign them a room to clean, and then I come back later to see if they follow directions without needing my help. Number 4, thoroughness. Make sure their work is detailed. Specifically, when they have a cluttered countertop, make sure that they pick things up, set them on the floor, clean, and then put things back. If you find that they're cleaning around things instead of picking things up and cleaning under them, that means they won't be able to make your clients happy and they will not be profitable. And the 5th and last thing that I look for, might be the most important, is speed. If they can't clean fast, they definitely won't be profitable. You don't need to feel powerless in your business anymore. You just need a system that gives you control. If you use these 7 steps, you'll never be held hostage by flaky cleaners again. You'll have options, leverage, and peace of mind. If you want my complete blueprint for starting your own 6 or even 7-figure remote cleaning business, I put together a step-by-step training that you can get access to right now on my website. It's the exact same process I use to build happy home helpers. Go to johnmargulitte.com to get access. I'll see you there.